Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Nmap to directly scan from a file. So, how do you directly scan from a file using Nmap? That way you have let's say you have like a bunch of IPs that you want to run Nmap on, but you don't want to type them out one by one. You don't want to do them like one by one. So instead you could have them all in a list in a file, and then just have Nmap go through the entire list and scan all the IPs. So to create the file, you would go tush, and let's go with Nmap IP file .text. Hit enter, and now ls, and then nano nmap IP file .text, enter. And here you can start adding IP addresses. So let's just add some random IP addresses, some generic IP addresses. 192.168.1.1, 192.168.1.2, 192.168.3. So this is like the generic IP address that most routers come with from the factory. Unless you change it, it's gonna be that, or like I think Asus, or I think other routers start with like 147 or something like that. Okay, so now like once you have all the IPs in your file, go ahead and Control X, Y, enter. So now that's saved. And then to scan the IPs from the file, you'll go Nmap IL, and then I just took it off, hold on. Nmap IL, Nmap IP file.text, and then hit enter. And I'm not going to continue that, but that's going to go through every single IP in the file, and it's going to run an Nmap scan on every single IP in that file. Alright, well that'll be all for today. I'll catch you in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.